You right guys, how's it going? Another takeaway classic and restaurant classic as well, and especially so these days, a vegetable Chinese curry. We need some quite robust vegetables for this one. Leafy greens just won't do it. And starting top left we have vegetable stock, onion, baby corns, pak choi stems, the curry paste. This one is made by Goldfish brand, and I'll stick a picture up for you at the end showing the pot. Some mange 2 peas, bean sprouts, bamboo shoots, water chestnuts, straw mushrooms, a couple of types of peppers and some carrots. Here we go then. And this is another one of those super quick recipes. Trim the pak choi, or baby choi in my case. We're just using the stalks, so you can save the greens for somewhere else. Cut the baby corn, some small pieces, some bigger pieces. Reasonable sized chunks of peppers. Of course you can just use one colour, but I had 2 lying around. Not too big a chunks with the carrots, you want a bit of crunch to them, but you don't want them undercooked. And chop the onion into wedges. Get some vegetable oil hot in a wok or a pan and stir fry your hard vegetables, as I call them, about a minute, just to soften them down a little bit and take on a bit of colour. In with a good splash of light soy sauce. And in with the vegetable stock. I'm dissolving the curry paste in a little bit of water, just to speed things up a bit. In with the baby corn and pak choi stems. And when the veg is up to a rolling boil, in with the Chinese vegetables, that's the straw mushrooms, the water chestnuts and the bamboo shoots, and then in with the peas and mange 2, and back to the boil again. In with the bean sprouts, in with the curry paste. This will thicken down of its own accord. There must be some corn flour in the curry paste, so there's no need to add any more. Now it's up to you how thick you want it. If you're going to eat it now, I would reduce it down quite a lot. But I'm going to save this batch cooking in the freezer. And what I like to do is leave it quite runny, so when I come to reheat it, I can boil it off a bit further. And it really is that quick. I think the longest part of this was chopping the vegetables. So I've got one big portion. Don't forget the liquid. And a couple of takeaway container sized portions. One will be a main course and the little ones will be a side dish. And these will keep in the freezer, 6 months at least. Well, there you have it guys, a vegetable curry. Now what I've done, I've batch cooked this. I'm not eating this, so rather uncouthly I'm going to eat it from the storage container. Yeah. The reason I left it a bit runny is because when I reheat it, I'll boil it that bit longer to reduce it a bit. Straw mushrooms, I love them. Can't go wrong with a British Chinese takeaway curry. There you go guys.